Electricity is a key driver to socio-economic growth and development. Rwanda currently generates 235 megawatts and the target is to generate 500 megawatts by 2024. All citizens and entrepreneurs will access electricity at affordable tariffs by 2024. Quite ambitious but achievable. Independent power producers have a critical role to play in this, but their major challenge is access to affordable and long-term financing. Here we have an exciting story to tell to inspire many others. An independent power producer has pioneered issuing a corporate bond on the Rwanda Stock Exchange to raise long-term financing of its investment plans.
ENERGICOTEL is an independent power producer specialized in power generation and energy consultancy. It currently has 3 operating plants, totaling an installed power capacity of 3.18 megawatts. Our plants are located in Rubavu district and Rutsiro district. We have like Kea, here where we are. It is the biggest power plant with an installed capacity of 2.2 megawatts. We also have Ngora, located in the Rutsiro district, and this power plant has power capacity of 0.68 megawatts. We finally have Kimbiri hydropower plant with an installed capacity of 0.3 megawatts, and this also is located in Rutsiro district.
Investors, whether institutions or individuals, would like to know the purpose of the money raised from this corporate bond. Mr. Kalisa breaks down for us ENERGICOTEL's investment plans.
Concerning the investment plan of ENERGICOTEL, ENERGICOTEL plans to grow up by boosting its financial capacity, financing the project in the pipelines. In this regard, ENERGICOTEL expressed its interest to be listed on Rwanda Stock Exchange to issue corporate bond, and this corporate bond will enable ENERGICOTEL to grow up its capacity to finance, to develop, and to implement the project in the country and across the border in Africa. In this framework, we have 3 projects at the final stage of their feasibility study. We have Lihanda small hydropower project in Kenya, located in Kisumu, with an installed capacity of 3 megawatts. We also have Gweru solar power project. This is in Zimbabwe. It will be having an installed capacity of 5 megawatts to be upgraded up to 25 megawatts. Now the third one is the Magma Energy Limited. This is a joint venture with another company, the energy from the Lake Kivu, and with an installed capacity of 3.6 megawatts at the initial phase.
Access to Finance Rwanda is largely known for supporting financial inclusion and supporting micro, small, and medium enterprises across the country to access finance and do business. In this maiden corporate bond of ENERGICOTEL, we see access to Finance Rwanda much involved. Let's explore more.
Access to Finance Rwanda has been in Rwanda since 2010 to promote financial inclusion and financial sector development. So we see this particular launch or issuance of the corporate bond by ENERGICOTEL as a demonstration to the many SMEs, especially those operating in power generation or energy generation, as an opportunity to get more sources of alternative sources of financing in the capital market, because the capital market in Rwanda is nascent, but it has a huge potential in terms of instruments that would serve SMEs to grow and create more employment. So that's so my message to the other SMEs that are in this sector is that they should come closer to the Capital Market Authority, to AFR, and to the Rwanda Stock Exchange to understand how they would source funding or capital from this market, which is an alternative to what they have now, and it provides more I would say more possibilities because there are so many instruments that are beyond what they can get in the market.
All is set for the maiden issuance of an energy corporate bond on the Rwanda Stock Exchange on Monday, July 26, 2021, following a successful approval by the regulator, Capital Market Authority. Mr. Celestine Rwabukamba, the CEO of Rwanda Stock Exchange, runs us through the readiness of RSE to trade ENERGICOTEL Corporate Bond.
Yes, the Rwanda Stock Exchange is a marketplace. It's a company which was created as a platform for helping the economy raise long-term finance for the economy and provide a platform for the general public to invest their money in trusted environment. The third thing was to promote good corporate governance within companies. Well, it's very good news because now it's as you're saying, it's the first energy company to come to the market, and it's not a listing of the company itself. It's a corporate bond they are issuing. Normally, people are used to the central bank issuing government bonds on behalf of government. So now it's a private real sector kind of company in energy sector, solid company. I would say mid to large company. Doing this, it's a good example, and they should be paving the way for the other companies out there to start looking into the capital markets as another avenue to raise long-term finance for their businesses, because the capital market is a place where you can raise long-term finance, and which is cheaper than what you can get normally in a traditional banking system. But they complement each other, of course, but also because you get money from different investors, they share the risk, and that's what makes the money cheaper.
Prospective investors need assurance that the bond will turn a good return on investment at the end of the day amidst these tough economic times globally. Mr. Kalisa gives assurance and why it is the wisest idea to invest in ENERGICOTEL Corporate Bond.
The assurance that I can give to our investors is that in the corporate bond, ENERGICOTEL is financially sound, as indicated in our prospectus. With all our projects in the pipeline and the current operating plant, we can assure all investors that based on the power demand in the country and across the borders, in the region, especially in Africa, power is highly needed, thus giving hope that the produced power will be fully consumed, and this in turn is going to be a source of income for the company.